Okay. So the first thing you do is you are going to open up Matrix or the MLS that you use. In this case, I use Matrix. So I open it up, and also what I do is, if I want to have a quick reference on the property, I also open IMAP. But now I'm going to focus just in Matrix, and just to let you know, I'm recording what I'm doing.
Okay.
So then I'll send you
Okay.
the recording, so you see step by step how I did it.
Okay. I have the IMAP. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah, but that's just the information on the property.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the information on the property. So this is what we do. First, we go to, and we're gonna search for the property. Let me just get this.
4101 Northwest.
So from here, you go to map. Map is right here in the middle. Okay? And then it says jump to address. So you're gonna jump to this address, 4101 Northwest 11 Place. Is this property listed for sale?
No, he just wanna see how many.
He wants to sell it.
He wants to sell it.
Okay. Okay, so this is in Miami, Florida, 33127. Perfect. So, right there is the property.
And the red,
Right. Right. 4101 Northwest 11th Place, 33127. Yes. Okay. So, from there, you go and you make it a little. Okay, so that you know that the property is there. So the next step, what you do is you have to find properties in that subdivision. Okay, so the subdivision is the area where the property is located. But it has to make sense what you select that subdivision. Okay, so we're going to select in this area, right? So here you go to this one. You see the one that says draw polygon,
Draw polygon, okay.
which is that one.
Okay.
So I will do there. Hold on. So I'll be doing here, here, here. Okay, so now I have all that area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to criteria, and I'm going to see what properties have closed and what's pending in the last 6 months for closed sales. Now, this property, according to this, it is. It doesn't give me much information as far as description. Oh, here it is. The next page. Okay. So this is the living area.
Yeah, 13,
Okay.
30.
So you want to go 10% above, 10% below. So you want to search for properties that the living area set is 10% below,
And
which is, in this case, let's assume 1100, all the way up to
1400.
1500. Let's do 1500. Okay? So the system gives you 7 matches. You see down here to the left? So then you will see the results. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 properties that have closed. They are, one is 3-2, actually 2 are 3-2, and 1 is 4-2, and the other one is 4-3. Okay?
Yeah.
There is one property that is active that is 3-1. Your subject property is 3-1.
Yes.
Okay? So,
It's actually has, they made I don't know, probably it's illegal, they have another bathroom.
Okay. So then what you do is you select all those properties, and this is how I do the CMAs. Do you know how to use Excel?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so then you export those to export to Excel.
Excel.
So now I have it in Excel.
Okay.
Okay, so here are the types of properties. So then I'm going to insert a line there to divide
Mhm.
active from closed sales,
Mhm.
and I'm gonna insert multiple lines here. Insert. Great. So these are the properties that have sold
So,
in that area.
Okay.
Okay, and even here are the dates that were status change. So what you do is you take how much, what's the price per square foot,
Okay.
which is right there.
Mhm.
So equals, you want to know what's the maximum, so MAX for maximum,
Mhm.
and then you select this. Then you want to know, I want to know what is the minimum,
Mhm.
minimum, min of those, and the average.
Mhm.
Those.
Mhm.
Okay?
Alright.
So you have the maximum,
The minimum and the average.
maximum, minimum,
And
average.
average.
Price per square foot.
Okay.
Okay, so your subject property, I'm gonna write here, subject. The address is 4101 Northwest okay,
Mhm.
and the square footage,
1330.
it is according to the records, living area, since that's what we've used, 1330.
Mhm.
So here, what I do
Mhm.
is, let me add another line here. So it divides this from here.
Mhm.
So now I'm going to calculate what will be the price based on this
The maximum.
numbers, the maximum
And
compared to the square footage. So I do
mhm.
equals this value times that.
Mhm.
So 260,000.
Mhm.
The other one is the minimum is 173 and the average is 232.
Okay. So that's not.
You're done. Obviously, you also have to look at the conditions on this property. If it's destroyed, then it's going to affect the price.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the manual way that I do
Do
the
it.
analysis.
Okay.
Okay, so then I go, let me show you IMAP. So then, where's IMAP here? IMAP is right here. Okay, so this is Miami-Dade. Property address. That's the property, Harold, yes.
Mhm.
Okay, so from here, you go to find comps.
Okay.
So you find comps,
Mhm.
and then you have to tell the system that you want comps in the same subdivision.
That's right.
Now, it seems like the system didn't give me any comps based on this. So I need to expand the area, because remember, this is the manual.
Okay.
So I'm going to do, let's start with 1/4 mile.
Mhm.
Update. That's it. So on the, hey Jason, on the low end, You have to go based on square footage,
Square footage.
not ratio, but square footage.
Square footage.
On the low end, it says 159, 100.
Mhm.
You see, the one that I did manual,
Mhm.
on the low end, it gave me 173
173, okay,
for this property.
okay.
Then on the high end,
Mhm.
291, 200,
Mhm.
I got 260
Okay,
because I did it manual.
okay.
And then on average, 227, 300,
You got
the average 232.
32, okay.
So we're in the ballpark,
Okay.
okay? Again, it has to do a lot with the condition of the property as well. Based on the conditions, you do the adjustments.
Mhm.
And that's it.
Okay.
That's it. So let me stop the recording.